My little brother started working in the Integrated Controls repair shop here in Billings after he got out of high school, and he always spoke very highly of RDO, so when a position opened up in the parts warehouse, I just kind of jumped on the opportunity to get my foot in the door. So I started in the parts warehouse, where I kind of started to learn about what the construction industry is, teeth and cutting edges and what all that stuff even did in the dirt. From there, I went on to be a sales coordinator and really learned about our customer base and how they use this equipment and what the industry looks like as a whole. I had a few years where I was selling the equipment. From there, I went into the aftermarket side of our business, first as a parts manager and now as an aftermarket manager. We handle the service and support for the machines and our customers after the sale of the machine. I get to help support the goals of my management team and the team members under them to take care of our customers, right? And those challenges are ever increasing every day. So being able to offer any sort of unique support I can to help them learn and grow and develop and help our customers solve those challenges, it's the most rewarding part of the job. Here in Montana, we're fairly new to the Wirtgen side of our business that we've recently kind of taken on that partnership here in Montana. So being able to learn the road building and the aggregate side of that business and how technology plays into that road building stuff, I think is going to be really exciting in the next year for us to really wrap our hands around and be able to present those solutions to our customers. There's a lot of people that are really new and a lot of people that have been here for a really long time, and it's really fun to watch the really tenured members of our team kind of pass down that information and what they've learned to the new guys, as well as learning from the new people as far as new ideas and things like that. It's really fun to watch. We're unique in Billings in that we have an integrated controls repair shop and we have the solution center upstairs and just this big group of people that we get to work with every day to solve our customers' problems, right? And the challenges they're facing. It's just really fun to be presented with such large challenges from our customers, and to be able to work together as a team to make those happen is a lot of fun.